So we have this narrow area to get into the living room and kitchen. So I decided to put a nice entryway console table here, and put a nice wall art on the top, console table. But if you look at this area, it's I don't have much window here to put a bigger depth console table. So I checked on the website and I found really nice, very narrow console table in the Ashley Furniture, and I got it. It's like a 13-inch depth. So we decided to decorate this area with the console table and decorative items. So let's see how it comes. So after placing the console table here, we came up the idea. We wanted to go with gray, silver and black combination. So that's how we kind of picked this wall art. It looks really beautiful, and the silver color, the metal artifacts, I think we got from Home Goods, I guess. And in the middle we just wanted to put the candle and stacked books with a small little box, and the other end we wanted to go with the flower vase, and it matches because it's the silver and white combination. And finally the outcome of the entry area decoration, it really came out well. We really liked it, and that's about the entryway, how we decorated. But in this episode I wanted to show you different decor and design ideas, how we can decorate an entryway table. And I will show, I picked different articrafts and different color schemes, so I will show one by one. I hope definitely you will like other color schemes and decorative items also. Thank you for watching. And friends, if you are watching first time and if you are not subscribed to House Talk channel, please subscribe to House Talk channel. Thank you for your continued support.